everyone! In this video, we'll be covering a simple way you can create a Near wallet in under 5 minutes. So follow along as I walk you through these steps illustrated by this whiteboard animation. First, you'll want to scan the QR code that appears in this frame. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to grab your phone. I'll wait. This QR code contains an NFT you can claim, courtesy of the Marma J Foundation. The scan redirects you to Satori, a one-stop shop for creators to easily manage and distribute their NFTs, built and run on the Near protocol. Here you should see an NFT of Chloe, the founder of Marma J Foundation. You have the option to either create wallet or connect wallet. Go ahead and click on create wallet, unless of course you already have a wallet you would like to collect the NFT to, then in which case click connect and you'll know what to do. Alright, the next page will have you enter an account ID name to reserve. This will become your Near wallet account. Feel free to pause again if you need to take time to pick out a unique ID. After you've successfully reserved your ID, you will be given options to secure your account. Although email is the most convenient, for now we'll proceed with the recommended method, which is passphrase. You may sometimes hear this referred to as seed phrase. It's used interchangeably. The selection should default on secure passphrase. Go ahead and click continue, which will take you to a passphrase generator. Click copy to paste this somewhere safe. But I would also highly recommend that you handwrite this and also store it somewhere safe so that you'll have both a digital and a physical backup copy. If you click cancel at the bottom of this page, it takes you back to choosing a method for securing your account, where you can select the email option. Once you input your email and click continue, you will receive a verification code to your email to complete this step. And just like that, you've not only created a Near wallet, but also claimed and now own an NFT. To gain full functionality of your wallet, you'll need to deposit around half a Near to get started. This is to cover for gas transaction fees. However, you may view the NFT you just claimed at any time by going to wallet.near.org. Make sure it autofills with HTTPS for security. Then click the Collectibles tab. And ta-da! Hope you found this video helpful. We'll chat again in the next one.